Hello everyone. Welcome to another explanation video. This video is about the IoT, Internet of Things. Before going to the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's go to the video.
What is IoT?
The word IoT stands for the Internet of Things. Simply, the system of interrelated devices communicating with each other without requiring human interaction over a network is IoT. That means a network that has physical devices are connected to the internet or any private network for collecting and sharing data.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of the Internet of Things? Advantages.
IoT relies on the computing power of cloud. Customers and companies can interact continuously with more safety. IoT able to use resources more efficiently than minimizing cost and making good use of resources. IoT makes things easier that increasing the quality of life. Disadvantages. Since IoT based on machine intelligence, humans lose the freedom of control according to choices. Devices must have persistent network connectivity and devices should maintain well. Privacy of data may be reduced and users may face unmanageable complexities. We hope you all learned something new and cool. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video.